Chapter 4 Excel Charts. You will learn about charts introduction, types of charts, basic components of chart, creating a chart, chart tools, chart layouts, changing the chart type. Introduction. It can often be difficult to interpret Excel workbooks containing huge amount of data. But with the help of charts feature of Excel, you can represent your workbook data graphically, which makes it easy to visualize comparisons and trends. Types of charts. Excel provides several different types of charts, allowing you to select the one which best fits your data. Following below table shows some commonly used chart types. Type of chart, chart icon, usage, example. 1. Column chart. Vertical bars are used to represent data in column chart. These charts are mostly used to compare values across categories. 2. Line chart. Data points connected with lines are used to show trends over time. 3. Area chart. An area chart is similar to a line chart except that the areas below the lines are filled with color, which makes it different. 4. Pie chart. Pie chart displays the size of items in one data series. The data points are represented as a percentage of the whole pie. 5. Bar chart. Bar charts are similar to column charts except that these charts use horizontal bars to display data. 6. Scatter chart. These charts are used to show relationship between two variables. Basic components of a chart. Following are the various components of a chart. 1. Chart area. The entire area containing chart and all its elements is called chart area. 2. Plot area. It is the area where the data in your chart is plotted. 3. Chart title. A chart title provides a brief description of chart at the top of plot area. 4. Legends. Legends are used to identify data series in a chart uniquely with a different pattern or color. 5. Data series. It is the set of worksheet data which is to be represented in a chart. 6. X-axis or category axis. The horizontal axis of the chart which is used to represent category. 7. Y-axis or value axis. The vertical axis of the chart which is used to represent values. 8. Axis titles. The titles given to X-axis and Y-axis which help to understand what is being represented on both axes. 9. Grid lines. These are the horizontal and vertical lines in the plot area of chart. Creating a chart. A worksheet containing data is required to create a chart. Following are the steps to create a chart. Step 1. First of all, select the cells which are to be plotted on a chart including the column titles and row labels. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. From the Charts group, select the desired chart type, let's say column chart. Step 4. As you select a chart type, a drop-down menu of sub-chart types will open. Step 5. Now select the desired chart subtype, let's say clustered column. Step 6. Excel creates the desired chart in the worksheet. Note: two context tabs will open up automatically on creating a chart. These are Design and Format tab. Using these tabs, you can edit and format the chart. Chart tools. Chart tools comprises of two tabs, Design and Format. To customize your chart, you can use these About tabs. This is another quick way also to change layout, style, etc. of the chart instead of using these tabs. As a chart is placed in the worksheet, 3 buttons get displayed on its side which are as follows. 1. Chart elements. Using this, you can add or remove chart elements such as titles, legends, etc. 2. Chart styles. Using this, you can set a style and color pattern for the chart. 3. Chart filters. Using this, you can edit data point and names of the chart. Adding chart elements. Excel allows you to add chart elements such as chart titles, legends, etc. to make your chart easier to read. Below are the steps to add a chart element. Let's say chart title. Step 1. Select your chart. The chart tools will appear. Step 2. Select Design tab. Step 3. Click on Add Chart Element command. It will open a drop-down menu. Step 4. Select the desired element from the menu and it will be added to the chart. Chart layouts. If you don't want to add chart elements one by one, you can use one of Excel's predefined layouts. Below are the steps to apply a quick layout. Step 1. Click on Chart. The chart tools will appear. Step 2. Select Design tab. Step 3. Click on Quick Layout button. It will open a drop-down menu containing several layouts. Step 4. Select the desired layout and it will be applied to your chart. Switch data. Sometimes you want to swap the axis in your chart. Excel allows you to switch the row data into column data and vice versa by following below steps. Step 1. Select the chart. The chart tools will appear. Step 2. Click on the Design tab. Step 3. From the data group, select Switch Row or Column button. Step 4. The data in the chart gets switched from x-axis to y-axis and vice versa. Changing the chart type. A chart can be changed to another type after it has been created in Excel. Following are the steps to change a column chart into a bar chart. Step 1. Firstly, select the chart. The chart tools will appear. Step 2. Click on the Design tab. Step 3. From the type group, select the Change Chart Type option. A dialog box will open. Step 4. From the box, select the desired bar chart type. Step 5. You can also choose subtype of the chart, for example, clustered bar. Step 6. Finally, click on OK and Excel changes your chart from column to bar chart. Brain dose. You cannot name a worksheet as history in Excel. Quick recap. Charts represent the workbook data graphically. The basic components of chart are chart area, plot area, chart titles, legends, grid lines, axis titles, etc. Various types of chart are available in Excel such as column chart, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, etc. Chart tools comprises of two contextual tabs, Design and Format. After creating a chart, you can easily change the type of chart in Excel.